Chapter 22. Entrustment. Then the Buddha expounded the Lotus Sutra for Bodhisattva, Sarva Rupa Samdarshana, and numerous other bodhisattvas and Shravakas. Bodhisattva Sarva Rupa Samdarshana devoted himself entirely to severe practices. Following the teachings of the Buddha Chandra Surya Vimala Prabhasasri, he drove and wandered up and down in the single-minded search for enlightenment for a full 12,000 years, and he attained the samadhi called Sarva Rupa Samdarshana. After having attained this samadhi, he rejoiced a great deal and thought thus: I have attained the samadhi called Savara Pasha Dasana entirely because of the power I attained through hearing the Lotus Sutra. I will now pay homage to the Buddha Chandra Surya Vimala Prabhasasri and the Lotus Sutra. Immediately after he had entered this samadhi, Mandarava and great Mandarava flowers, and finely powdered solid and black sandalwood, fell from the sky, filling the air like clouds, and raining down upon the earth. It also rained the perfume of sandalwood from the inner sea-coast of Mount Sumeru. With this quantity of perfume, 6 drams of which equalled the worth of this Saha world, he paid homage to the Buddha. Having paid homage to the Buddha, he emerged from samadhi and thought this: I have paid homage to the Buddha by using my transcendent power. This is, however, by no means equal to the tribute of offering my body. For a full 1,200 years, he inhaled the fragrance of sandalwood, olibanum, frankincense, clove, aloes wood, and glue trees, and drank the fragrant oil of champaka flowers. He then anointed his body with scented ointment. In the presence of the Buddha Chandra Surya Vimala Prabhasasri, he covered his body with a divine jeweled garment and with the fragrant oil. Through his transcendent power and vows, he set his body alight, which illuminated worlds equal in number to the sands of 80 kotis of Ganges rivers. At the same time, all the Buddhas in these worlds praised him, saying, Splendid, splendid, O son of a virtuous family! This is the true perseverance. This is called the True Dharma offering to the Tathagata. It stands no comparison, even if one were to pay tribute with flowers, perfumes, necklaces, burning incense, scented powders, ointments, divine silk banners, canopies, perfumes of sandalwood from the inner sea-coast of Mount Sumeru, and various other things like this.